Imagine you're walking through a quiet forest. Suddenly, something moves in the corner of your eye. Before you even realize what it is, your body has already reacted. You turn your head, your muscles tense, and your heart beats a little faster. It feels like magic, but it's actually one of the fastest survival systems your body has ever evolved. Your eyes can detect movement before your conscious brain fully understands what you're seeing. Every second, your eyes make tiny, rapid movements called saccades, constantly scanning your surroundings for anything unusual. Deep inside your retina are millions of specialized cells, and some are designed specifically to detect motion. The instant something moves, these cells convert light into electrical signals and send them racing through the optic nerve. But here's the fascinating part. Not all of these signals travel first to the thinking areas of your brain. Some take a shortcut through ancient brain regions responsible for fast survival responses, allowing your body to begin reacting in just milliseconds, long before you're consciously aware of the object. This incredible system has helped humans survive for hundreds of thousands of years. Imagine our ancestors walking through tall grass, spotting the slightest movement could mean the difference between escaping a predator or becoming its next meal. Natural selection favored people whose brains could prioritize movement instantly, and that ancient survival mechanism still protects you today. You experience it every time a ball suddenly flies toward your face, a car unexpectedly pulls into your lane, or someone startles you from the side. Your reaction often begins before you consciously decide what to do. Even modern technology has borrowed this idea. Self-driving cars, security cameras, and advanced artificial intelligence systems are designed to detect movement first and analyze details afterward, because motion is usually the most urgent piece of information. Nature perfected this strategy millions of years before humans invented computers. So the next time something catches your attention before you even know why, remember that your eyes aren't simply seeing the world, they're constantly scanning, predicting, and protecting you. Your conscious mind may think it's in control, but behind the scenes, your visual system has already been working tirelessly to keep you safe every single second of your life.